Is your brand communicating one thing on your website and another on social media? People might become confused when there is a mismatch like this. It also makes your brand appear less trustworthy. Google's AI sees this and may degrade your site's ranking as a result. Here is how to solve it. Begin by doing a full content audit across all platforms. For example, if your website says fast internet for families, but your social media says cheap internet plans for gamers, Google will receive conflicting signals. It cannot determine who your brand is intended for, thus your page may not appear in the appropriate searches. To address this, utilize consistent messaging, tone, and style throughout your website, emails, adverts, and social media postings. Some AI tools can help you stay on track. For example, Grammarly keeps your tone and grammar consistent across blogs and web copy. Writer.com applies your brand voice to all content, so your team writes in the same tone everywhere. Surfer SEO checks your content for search relevance and helps you stay aligned with what people are looking for. When your brand is clear and consistent, people trust you more and Google is more likely to rank you higher. Want more strategies? Follow DAT, the fulfillment partner for digital agencies. Unseen, unmatched.